With perfect love and perfect trust, we cleanse this space for a sacred rite. With perfect love and perfect trust, we purify this space of all that does not serve. With perfect love and perfect trust, we sanctify this sacred space.
Our space is cleansed. Our rite may begin.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, find yourself, focus your energy. Breathe out, expel what does not serve you.
Set your intention to create a web of connection between your loved ones, your friends, your community, and a circle of protection around them all.
Think of the ones you love, the ones you miss. Within the heartache of being separated, find gratitude and appreciation. This ache comes from love.
Now envision that they are also thinking of you. Through this love, you are connected. Through this love, we are all connected.
As we each light our spark, our individual beacons become one, a web of energy, a sacred time and place. We are connected, and we are encircled.
Raised, I say, circle is cast, so mote it be.
So mote it be.
We now invite divine elements, energies, and beings to join us in this sacred time and place.
See the wind move through the
trees. Feel your love fill with ease. Air we call you, hail and welcome you. Please join us in our ride. Facing south, I call to find passionate one, so mine. See the fire start to spark. Feel the flame grow in your heart. Fire calling you, hail and welcome you. Please join us in this time. Facing west, I call to water. Shining moon's favorite daughter. See the water fall from the sky. Feel it cleanse and purify. Water we call to you, hail and welcome you. Please join us in this space. Facing north, I call to earth. From your strength and powerful birth. See the soil beneath your feet. Feel your roots growing deep. Earth, we call you, hail and welcome you. Please join us here tonight. In my blood and in my bones, I hear you call, I listen to the long dead crones. Ancestors chant and dance with us. In your lessons we do trust. Ancestors, we call you, hail and welcome you. Please join us in this ride. I feel the all within me. I feel nothing all around. Together they light my soul. Creation and void that makes us whole. All or nothing, hail and welcome you. Please join us for this ride. I feel the goddess deep inside. I see her push and pull the tide. Feel the comfort in her womb. See the beauty of her blue. Goddess, we call you, hail and welcome you. Please bless us here tonight. I feel the God all around. I hear his wild spirit sound. Here's the animals running free. Here's the pollinator seed. God, we call you, hail and welcome you. Please bless us in this ride.
We now share our cleansed and sacred space with the elements, ancestors, the all and nothing, and the deities you each commune with.
As we anticipate our crops coming to yield, the seeds we planted in the spring coming to fruition, we have an opportunity to be grateful for what we have, to appreciate the challenges that help us grow, looking back on those seeds, knowing the many months that they've spent growing through storm after storm, through heat and humidity. They have persevered to this, our first harvest.
As a community, we also persevere. Although we're not physically together, community lives inside us, in our breath, in our passion, in our blood, and in our bones. Over the years, this land has seen many changes. People coming and going, trees rising and falling, the earth turning and being reshaped. And yet the land has always persevered. I invite you to connect with the rituals of Harvest Homecoming, to give and receive the strength to persevere.
Our individual beacons and personal ritual circles have been cast. And now we expand our intentions to create a larger, communal circle for our harvest weekend. Tap into your love for your community and begin to raise energy. Raise energy with us for this greater casting of our circle.
We call to the ancient gods and goddesses. Here may they manifest and bless their children. We call to the ancient gods and goddesses. Here may they manifest and bless their children. We call to the ancient gods and goddesses. Here may they manifest and bless their children. We call to the ancient gods and goddesses. Here may they manifest and bless their children.
And turning outward now, with the intention in mind, perseverance. See the shape of it, hear the sound of it, taste it on your lips, and feel it on your skin. And then with all your senses, see the lines between us all vibrating, the beacons meeting and joining one another, dim at first, then growing brighter and brighter like a roaring flame. Push this glowing light outward, further and further, way, way back into the deep history of oak spirits, and way, way forward into the future, generation after generation, and out to the very edges of the planet until it encompasses the world. Our circle will remain up for the entirety of the festival. Blessed be.
May you never hunger.
May you never thirst.
We are a circle.